Orientation. Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, most merciful. Dear students, in this very session, we will talk about the introduction to English Part 1. A very warm welcome to you, dear students. You are going to undertake a journey, a new journey in which a remarkable success is awaiting you. May Allah give all of us the required strength, determination, diligence, and positivity. May you stay ever blessed, jubilant, victorious, hale and hearty, and every good thing throughout your life. Let's have a preview. Textual portion. It contains two books. Book 1, short stories. There are 15 short stories. Book 3, that has got two parts. The first one is plays. The second one is poems. There are 3 plays and 20 poems. Textual portion contains the types of questions as are given here: synonyms, short questions, stanza explanation, punctuation, and Urdu translation. Non-textual portion. It comprises correct tense, pair sentences, moral stories, letters, and applications. Short stories. Button Button by Richard Matheson. Clearing in the Sky by Jesse Stewart. Dark They Were and Golden Eyed by Ray Bradbury. Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. A Piece of String by Guy de Maupassant. Number 6, The Reward by Lord Dunsany. The Use of Force by William Carlos Williams. The Gulistan of Saadi by Sheikh Saadi. The Foolish Quack. It's a folk tale, not written by any author. And number 10 is A Mild Attack of Locusts by Doris Lessing. Number 11, I Have a Dream by Martin Luther King. What a motivational speech it is. The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry. God Be Praised by Ahmad Nadeem Khasmi. Overcoat, Ghulam Abbas. And the number 15, the last one is The Angel and the Author and Others by Jerome K. Jerome. Plays. The very first one is Heat Lightning by Robert F. Carroll. It's a type of melodrama full of thrill and suspense. The second one is a sci-fi, a science fiction almost, Visit to a Small Planet by Gore Vidal. And the number three is The Oyster and the Pearl by William Saroyan. Poems The Rain by W. H. Davis. It's already familiar to you people. At the metric level, you have attempted it. Night Mail, W. H. Auden. Loveliest of trees, the cherry now, A. E. Houseman. Oh, where are you going? W. H. Auden. In the street of the fruit stalls, Jane Stolworthy. Number six, A Sindhi Woman, Jane Stolworthy. Times. It's not written by any author. It has been taken from the Bible, a portion that is called Ecclesiastes. Ozymandias, P.B. Shelley. The Feed, Ahmad Nadeem Khasmi. The Hollow Men, T.S. Eliot. Number 11, Leisure, W. H. Davis. Rubaiyat, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. A Tale of Two Cities, John Peter. My Neighbor Friend Breathing His Last by Bulleh Shah. He Came to Know Himself, Sachal Sarmast. Number 16, God's Attributes, Jalaluddin Rumi. The Delight Song, N. Scott Momaday. Love and Essence of All Religions, Jalaluddin Rumi. A Man of Words and Not of Deeds by Charles Perrault. And the last one is In Broken Images by Robert Graves. Dear students, always be positive. So much positive, even if your blood group is not positive, it turns into positive. Let's proceed towards the paper pattern. There are two portions of the question paper. The first one is objective. It has got 20 MCQs. Question number 1 comprises 20 MCQs. The first thing is related to synonyms. There are 10 synonyms. The second item is text knowledge. There are 5 questions regarding the text knowledge. This question is set to test the overall understanding of the student. The third thing is related to correct tense. A glance at the division of MCQs. The division of synonyms. Synonyms mean the words nearest in meaning. 5 from book 1, short stories. 3 from book 3, plays. 2 from book 3, poems. You can see the sign of asterisk given before division, that is also called star. It is meant for the attention of the reader. I have put it here because there may be some variation, but this is the normal division. The usual division is in front of you. Let's elaborate this question with the help of some examples. Norma looked disgusted, so the asked word is underlined. The options are sad, offended, sick, happy. There are some strategies, some tips to deal with the MCQs. For example, when you read the text, you should get fully involved in the text because a number of synonyms may be handled tactfully if you have viewed and read the text being fully involved. First of all, there must ring some bell in your mind. The lesson name, the author, the context, the situation. Because such type is done with the help of the context. Even if you have not known or not prepared the word in its meaning before. If it's a dialogue of somebody, you should also know the speaker who has uttered these words. Then words are charged either positively or negatively. Some are neutral. So you should also try to know the positive word should be there or the negative. For example, in this very instance, disgusted may give you a clue that this is normally something bad. It means you can go through the process of elimination. You can strike out at least some positive option. And if we go through the options, at least one option can be eliminated. Such such strategies should be kept in mind. Thus, sad is something neutral. It can also be eliminated. Now, offended or sick. It means if you are to guess, your guess should be wise or intelligent. And why or how it can become so? Yes, by doing such things, by following such steps. And the contextual reference is very much important. Words are known by the company they keep, as human beings are known by the company they keep. Here is the right option according to a text is offended. No doubt there may be also sick, but here in the contextual reference, it is the most appropriate option. Now comes the second example. The interior of the bus station is drab. The options are dull, interesting, charming, good. Now, almost all the words have got some impression. If we guess, for example, drab is again something giving the sense of dullness. So it means positive options, good, charming, interesting, may not be the possible answers. So we may guess that dull is the most appropriate option here. Sheepdogs cannot turn her course. It is a bit easier. Course is already known. It's not less common. It's very common, and we we may easily judge the right option. What is that? Face, destination, way, and site. Two close options are here, destination and way. So course is already known to you. Way is the most appropriate option here. The first one is taken from Button short stories. The second is, then comes the second portion of the objective part. Textual knowledge is checked by asking questions from, here comes the division, 3 from book 1 short stories, 2 from book 3 plays, and sometimes 1 from book 3 poems. You can again see the asterisk in front of before 1. It means there may be some variation. Examples for a better understanding. What was the reward for pushing the button? Taken from lesson 1, button. $25,000, 50,000, 2,500, and 5,000. It's the easiest question once you go through the text. $50,000. So these marks to me are the marks free. They can be got free of cost, free of any hard work. Just if you have gone through the text attentively, you can handle them very easily. The bus was late due to, yes, it's taken from the play Heat Lightning. Rush, schedule, storm, accident. The right option is storm. Who was drinking rain? Again, familiar to you. A man, the leaves, a bird, and a tree. The leaves is the right answer, taken from the very first poem, The Rain. The third and last portion of the objective is related to correct tense. I dash here since 2010. So where here is a time marker for us since that shows continuity. And you also know that it should be done at least in present perfect continuous. The options are live, am living, lived, have been living. And we opt for have been living. She dashed well in the last test. There are some tips to deal with MCQs of such type. For example, the first tip, to recognize the role of subject. First of all, I is the subject here. Then either receiver or actor means active voice or passive voice. So such types are there. Our next slideshow concerns the use of correct tense, and there are all the tips mentioned for your clarity. Stay tuned for that session. So last test here, the last word is a time marker that tells us that it should be done in the past indefinite simple past, because there is no continuity with it. Since changes the situation. If it is since last morning, evening, day, so that comes now past simple. Did is here the answer. The time allowed for the objective is half an hour. while for the subjective it is 2.5 hours. The paper has got 3 hours. Now comes the division of remaining 80 marks as the paper contains 100 marks in total. There are short answers, the main section of the subjective part. So there you are to attempt 15 questions in all at least. 6 out of 9 book 1 short stories. 5 out of 8 book 3 plays. 4 out of 6 book 3 poems. Each answer or question carries 2 marks. Examples are: why did Arthur disagree with his wife? Why couldn't the girl describe the killer? What is the main idea of the poem, The Rain? The first question taken from book 1 short stories, lesson number 1, button button. Then the second one is again as usual. We discuss the example that is from play Heat Lightning, and the third is from first poem that is The Rain. Question number 5. You are to attempt either the letter or the application. Write a letter, for example, write a letter to a friend congratulating him on his success in the examination, or write an application to the principal of your college for 1 week's leave. This question carries 10 marks. Question number 6. Write a story on the moral. Haste makes waste, or greed is a curse. This question also carries 10 marks. The moral is given, so you are to attempt the story in a way that proves the given moral. Question number 7. It has got 3 parts. The first one, that is A, explain the stanza with reference to the context. It is taken from book 3 part poems. And you know this is taken from the very first poem, The Rain. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. Reference to the context. Reference means the name of the poem, the name of the poet, and the context means the situation there. For example, the theme or the summary, etc. This question carries 5 marks. Question number 7, B portion. Punctuate the following. Book 1, 5 marks are there. Norma frowned. She didn't like his attitude. What are you trying to sell? She asked. So here you are required to insert the right punctuation marks like comma, question mark, interjection, quotation marks. Here you can see Norma N. Then here is something missing. Then here, here, and it is now corrected here. Norma in capital, stop, apostrophe, stop. Then quotation marks, speech marks. That is the most important portion of this punctuation question. So focus on while you are reading the text, especially on the quotation marks. Who says, what is said, and when the speaker changes its role. Who is saying that wording? It is most important. Part C. Use any five of the following pairs of words into your own sentences. Seven are there. You are to attempt at least five. So here, excess, excess, floor, flower, metal, metal. Number four, number five, six, and the seventh one is, for example, wonder, wonder. The last question, question number eight. Huge, massive weightage. 15 marks are there. Here you are to translate the given passage into Urdu. It is set from book 1, short stories. For example, here is given a passage. The rocket metal cooled in the meadow winds. From its clock interior stepped a man, a woman, and three children. The other passengers whirled away across the Martian meadow, leaving the man alone among his family. So idiomatic translation is required here, not only the literal. There is an alternative question to question number 7 translation that is to be translated into Urdu. In place of Urdu translation, English medium or foreign candidates may opt for an essay. For example, use of atomic energy. Now you can see the nature of 90% of the questions is not new. It is the same you have known before. Just they are at some extended level. It was the recap of the whole discussion. The summary of the weightage of marks. Non-textual 30 marks, book 1 40 marks, book 3 30 marks, 15 of the plays and 15 of the poems. Here comes a sample of the previous paper. It's the last year's paper. You can pause the video and have a detailed look for a better understanding. I hopefully hope and pray that learning will become a lot of fun for you. Only you are to act on the principle. I have no intention of paying attention to any tension. To us, there is trying with praying only. The rest is not our business. So don't stress. Do your best and forget the rest. Dear students, in case of any questions, please feel free to email at rizwan.pasha@outlook.com. Looking forward. Dear students, stay tuned. There is something next to come. Here comes the upcoming presentation. Tips to attempt the paper. all the best. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.